Welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix product images not showing or displaying at the wrong size in your Shopify store. If your product photos are missing, stretched, blurry, cropped incorrectly, or loading with the wrong dimensions, don't worry. In most cases, this is caused by a theme setting, an image issue, or your browser cache. I'll walk you through a few simple steps to help you get your product images displaying correctly again. Let's jump right into Shopify. Start by logging into your Shopify admin. From the left-hand menu, go to Online Store, then click Themes. On your current theme, click Customize to open the theme editor. Once you're inside the editor, open one of your product pages from the page selector at the top. Then click on the Product Information or Product section, depending on your theme. Look for the image settings. Here, you can usually adjust the image ratio, image fit, media size, or desktop layout. If your images appear stretched or cropped, try switching the image ratio to Adapt to Image or choose a different media size. As you make changes, watch the live preview to see which option displays your product photos correctly. When you're happy with the result, click Save. If the images still aren't displaying properly, go back to your Shopify admin and open Products. Select one of the affected products and scroll down to the Media section. Confirm that the images were uploaded successfully and aren't broken or missing. If necessary, remove the image and upload it again using the original high-quality file. Shopify automatically creates different image sizes, so using a clear, high-resolution image usually provides the best results across desktop and mobile devices. Another quick fix is clearing your browser cache or opening your store in an incognito window. Sometimes your browser continues loading an older version of your theme or cached images, making it seem like nothing changed. Testing in a private window or another browser helps confirm whether the issue is with the store or simply your local browser cache. If you've recently installed a new app or edited your theme code, that could also affect how images are displayed. If the issue started immediately after making changes, temporarily disable the app or restore your recent theme edits to see if the images return to normal. If you duplicated your theme before making changes, you can also preview that backup theme to compare the results. Finally, remember that different Shopify themes handle product galleries differently. Some themes offer grid layouts, sliders, thumbnails, or stacked images. If one layout isn't displaying your images the way you want, try another available option inside the theme editor. Often, simply changing the gallery style is enough to fix spacing or sizing issues. And that's it. By checking your theme's image settings, confirming your product images are uploaded correctly, clearing your browser cache, and reviewing any recent apps or code changes, you can resolve most product image display issues in Shopify. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.